To properly moisturize high porosity hair with leave-in conditioner, you have to first and foremost make sure that the leave-in conditioner's first ingredient is water. And the leave-in conditioner I'm using in this video is Dark and Lovely Corrective Leave-In. It has water as its first ingredient, so I take much of it. And I mainly put the conditioner on the tips or the ends of my hair. That is the point where breakage and then dryness takes place. So that is where I am focusing on for my hair. So this is basically how I do it. I put in the leave-in, I work it in this way, I press it, I work it in, I press it. And when I do it this way, within some short period of time, you find out that the hair becomes very separate and then becomes very fluffy and very nice. So and then I add my shea butter. Make sure that you put a little at a time. But we have porosity hair. It should be a bit more than people with low porosity hair, but a bit goes a long way. Moisturizing your hair with shea butter alone, you have to first and foremost get water. Okay, it would be suicidal to use only shea butter on your hair as moisturizing, because that is very good. You hydrate and moisturize. I've got the definition of what hydration is and what moisturization is in my separate video, so you can take a good look at that. So this is how basically I do it. I work it in and then I put it in a bun and I do it this way. Please like, comment and share to my YouTube channel.